In the heart of Africa, where the savannah stretches far and wide, there lived a wise old man named Kofi. He resided in a small village surrounded by his large family, consisting of many sons, each with their unique skills and strengths. Kofi's eldest son, Kwam, was a skilled hunter, while his second son, Kofi Jr., was a talented farmer. The third son, Ama, was a gifted healer, and the youngest son, Yo, was a charismatic leader. One day, Kofi called the sons together and presented them with a challenge. He showed them a single stick, easily broken, and then a bundle of sticks, impossible to break. Kofi explained that alone they were weak, but together they were unbreakable. Unity is strength, Kofi said. When you work together, you can achieve greatness, but when you fight among yourselves, you become vulnerable. The sons, however, did not listen. They began to argue and fight among themselves, each wanting to be the strongest. Kwam belittled Kofi Jr.'s farming skills, while Ama mocked Yo's leadership abilities. Kofi Jr. retaliated by questioning Kwam's hunting prowess, and Yo challenged Ama's healing knowledge. Kofi, seeing that there is division among his sons, knew that they would not survive alone. He warned them of the dangers of disunity, but to no avail. A severe famine hit the land, and the sons struggled to find food and water. Crops withered, and game disappeared. The sons realized too late that their division had made them vulnerable. A rival village, seeing their weakness, attacked and defeated them. Kofi's sons returned, humbled and united. They worked together, using their unique skills to rebuild and strengthen their village. Kwam hunted for food. Kofi Jr. farmed the land. Ama healed the sick, and Yor led the village with wisdom. As they worked together, their village flourished, crops grew, and the game returned. The sons became inseparable and their bond grew stronger. They realized that their differences were their greatest strength. Years passed by, and the sons became leaders in their own right. Kwam led the hunters, Kofi Jr. managed the farms, Ama healed the sick, and Yor ruled the village with wisdom. Kofi looked upon his sons with pride, knowing that they had learned the value of unity. One day, a great enemy threatened to destroy their village. The sons, remembering their father's lessons, stood together, united and strong. They fought bravely, using their unique skills to defeat the enemy. Victoriously, the sons returned to their village and were being hailed as heroes. Kofi smiled, knowing that his son had finally understood the power of unity.